Hello there, my dear Gemini friends. Welcome to my Mtunan 888 channel. I'm gonna do your weekly reading commencing 18th of November. It is timeless and a general reading, so it will not resonate to all Gemini friends. Take only the positive messages and energy that will resonate in your situation and leave that don't resonate. If you will like my reading, please don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Let's start. Thank you. Love and light. Namaste. Hi, thank you. Right, Spirit guides. What are your messages for our dear Gemini for the commencing 18th of November? Spirit guides, what are your messages for our dear Gemini friends for the week commencing 18th of November? Spirit guides, what are your messages for our dear Gemini friends for the week commencing 18th of November? Mhm. That was your card that jumped out. Oh my god, I don't know why I've got a big smile in here. 5, 6, 7. Okay. Let's see. Let's see what's the bottom of the card. Wow. Wow. Oh, it's a card of wealth and prosperity. Ace of Clubs. Beautiful card. As I've said, I don't know why I was smiling. It's a card of wealth and prosperity. And the, the, it's um, it's a card of unexpected money, huge amount of money and gain that you are going to receive. Okay, let's see. However, let's see. Oh wow. Okay. All right. So for some of you, there is a health issues in here that needs an attention. Yes, you because you've been working too hard. Yes, in here, and yes, you are lacking of sleeps in here. And then for some of you, those who are taking maintenance dose of the medications that you're supposed to take um daily because of your business hectic schedule, sometimes you miss taking the medication. And if you will not take, for example, if you have high blood pressure and you're supposed to take that medication in the morning, but because you woke up late and went to 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 work without taking anything, you missed the medication and you went home and you forgot to take that medication, then something is going to happen in here regarding your health. There is a health matter in here. So please don't try not to try to bring the medication with you. If you have no time to have your breakfast in the morning, or yeah, before going to work, then bring the medication with you. Yes? Or for those who are suffering from something strange in their body, seek a medical advice. Okay? Tingling sensation in your arms, upper limbs, yes? And a numbness, if it's consistent, yeah, if it's always, well, yeah, seek a medical advice for that because it's not normal, yeah? For those who are also suffering from short, difficult breathing, yes, try find out why you're having that symptoms, okay? And well, for some of you, yes, there is a happy family life in here. Yes, two only. But at the back of this, that two, the back, there is a temptation still to come. That's why the two hearts still reversed. But that's what the card means. So please, if you have a happy family life or a happy relationship with your wife, husband, partner, boyfriend, or girlfriend, if there's a temptation, step back. Stay away from the temptation. Okay? Okay? To avoid further problems in your life. It's nice it's a nice feeling to live with a peaceful mind. Okay? So let's see. Seven of Diamonds. Seven of Diamonds. There is, yes, it says in here there is an arguments in here or a disputes concerning your finances or in the job that is going to be generally resolved very soon. So for those who are dealing with that matter, yes, if you're claiming for a financial uh, a rebate, a something like the company owe you, yeah, it's something about regarding finances or in the job, it will be resolved, and you will receive the money, or yeah, it will be resolved successfully. And there is a huge surprise that is going to happen in your life. You are going to receive major surprises in here. Huge victory is about to happen in your life for those who are dealing with something that you are fighting about. Yes, yes, you will be victorious with that. You are in the winning side. Yes, there is an unstoppable success on your way. Okay, wow, it's an unstoppable success, my dear Gemini friends. Okay, so there is a positive opportunity that is coming on your way, and don't refuse big offers. If you feel like you are not competent enough with that, then think about it. Yes, if you need to go to the university to upgrade your skills and knowledge, then do that. Um, with your success, achievements, accomplishments in life, of course, you can't avoid jealous people around you. Okay, that's you, King of Spade, prosperity person, prosperity. Wow, 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 wow. That is you, my Gemini. Oh, wow, my God, the most good luck. Oh, I can see the the moon outside. Well, it's not that full. It's the full moon. It's tomorrow, the full moon, because it's only the date today is 14. Yes, 14th of November, and it's 5 o'clock in the afternoon. So I can see it in here, the moon. right? So wow, 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 a fortune card. You will have everything that you are manifesting. You will manifest. It's a manifestation period for you. So with that, temptation is waiting. So please try to avoid that. Okay. Oh wow. Nine of Diamonds. What a beautiful cards you've got in here, my Gemini friends. New business deal. Surprise of money. For some of you, you are going to purchase a massive house, a big house. So you will, there's a change of residence in here. You will be receiving a financial windfall. Okay. Money, money, money in here. Travel is on the horizon. At the moment, you are restless in your current job. So, I think God will put you into a different position. So you will be promoted. Yeah? Or for some of you, you will transfer to a new job. Queen of Diamonds. This woman is jealous to you. She's making an earth sign energy woman who is very indifferent. This one is making gossips about you, jealousy. Very. This woman, she loves partying. She loves. Aha. So this is the woman who is going to tempt you. Please, please. And this woman will make gossips about your relationship with her. Please be aware of that. Okay? I am giving you a warn now. She's the one who will reveal the relationship that will make your reputation bad. So please. Wow, wish fulfillment card. My dear Gemini friends. Wow, wow, wow. Be careful of what you're wishing. Oh my God, here it is. Queen of Spades. A widowed or divorced woman who is very jealous to you. She will do she will make rumors, gossips about you as well. Okay, it's the women in here. For those who are Gemini who are yes, the Queen of Earth is the one who will flirt to you and will make gossips about your relation. But if you are a female Gemini, then these two are the one jealous to you. Still, they will make gossips about you. But ignore. Focus on your career, on yourself, and and you can't avoid jealousy. Wherever you go, there's always jealousy. Okay. Right, my Gemini. Let's see what's the tarot cards message for you. Oh, sorry. Let's see what's the bottom of the card. Oh my God. I need another two. Sorry. I'm in a hurry now because I'm going to work. I came from night shift and I just walked in to do this reading with the three signs for the first three zodiac sign, and I'm going to work. So the bottom of the card is Two of Wands. It's a maybe card associated with Aries energy and aligned to planet Mars, which is action and energy, and aligned to third eye chakra. So there is a choice in here. For me, if you will be tempted with this, negative energy, then choose the positive one. Okay, two paths in here. It says in here two paths. Then, if you want to have fun and you feel like you will enjoy that fun, then that's the negative path. And if you want to step out from that or avoid that temptation, then you are going to the right path. There is a decision that is to make in here. Okay, for those who have, if you're, for those who are about to make a decisions about something in your job, then think it several times. Decide wisely. Okay, grass is always greener on the other side. All right. Okay. Rest. For those who are already in a relationship, in a third party relationship, for those who are just for fun, there is a suddenly leaving from that chaos situation. Okay. King of Cups, emotional intelligence. It's a yes card associated with Pisces energy and aligned to what is this? Neptune, planet Neptune, which is a feelings and intuition. So follow your intuition in here and your how you feel about that situation, and it's aligned to third eye chakra. So that's why this card is an emotional intelligence card. It says in here, trust your intuition. You gain wealth of knowledge, and you are going to for some of you, you are going to give a good advice for those who really need, who seek an advice from you. Okay, you will give an advice with full of wisdom to those who will seek an advice from you. Someone who understands unconscious motivations, a man in touch with his emotional life, a good friend. So there's another one in here, Ten of Swords. It's a no card associated again with, oh, that this is your card, Gemini card, and aligned to the sun, planetary sun, which is your conscious mind and your ego, and aligned to root chakra. As I've said, there is a betrayal in here, jealousy. You are surrounded with jealous people. Okay, so be careful, my dear Gemini. You know, um, you will see um, the loyal people around you who will clap when you win. For those who will not clap, then those are the jealous people. Right, let's see what is the message advice for you, my dear Gemini, for the week commencing 18th of November. The bottom of the deck is Knight of Air. This is your card. Brilliant, impartial, professional, diplomatic. Speak your mind with confidence. See? Emotional intelligence. Seek out professional advice. Balance mental and emotional considerations. Queen of Water. Tender-hearted, empathetic. Patient and loving. Relationships develop to a new level. Trust your intuition, as I've said earlier on. Care for yourself and others. Let's go to the animal spirit guides for you, my dear Gemini friends, for the week commencing 18th of November. Oh, it's very dark in here now. Hmm, let's see. The bottom of the deck is King of Autumn. Compassionate, accomplished, charismatic and grounded. Gypsy, Vanner horse. Everything's going to turn out great. Projects will be stunningly successful. Exciting new career opportunities are possible, and money or resources that come your way will be invested wisely. That's so beautiful. 13. Release. Peacock. It's time to release the past and move on to something new. This ending is the first step on the way to a happier future. Wow, what beautiful messages for you. Let's see. For those Gemini friends who are seeking messages from the spirit guides regarding the job, career, and business, let's see. Bottom of the card is journey. You may move to a new place for work or travel for work. Exploring the world gives you the experience you need to succeed. Yes. Um, I know most of the Geminis are adventurous. So you love traveling. Unfolding. Access to greater prosperity is opening up for you slowly. You are growing as you learn more and keep exploring. Yeah, you love to explore, my dear Gemini. As I've said earlier on, you are in adventurous, isn't it? You just love to explore. For those who have one question that is seeking a yes or no answer, think about it now. Eh, wow, it's a no. Heavy energy, blocked, weighed down by worry. Oh, so for those who are worrying a lot, please listen to that and try to calm down. Better to spend time in nature. Okay? Yes, yes, yes or no, it's maybe. So if you are planning to do something, trust your intuition, follow your instincts. If it's time, if you feel like you are comfortable to do that, then go ahead. Valuable experience, worth your time, profit. Okay, okay. Thank you, my dear Geminis. So if you like my reading, please don't forget to comment below, like, share, and subscribe. Love and light. Namaste. Good luck in your journey.